If your headache starts at this point and it moves like this, it's not random. So the usual approach is headache, take a painkiller. But what if I told you not all headaches are the same? In homeopathy, these exact patterns matters. For example, headache from the left eye to the point on the back of the head, which is called the occipital protuberance, we have a specific medicine. If the headache is right-sided over the eyebrows, then a different medicine. If it starts from the back of the head and it extends to the forehead, we have two different remedies. Even in that, if one headache starts midnight onwards and gets worse when you wake up, then we have a different medicine. But if the same headache it gets worse from cold, we have a different medicine. If you have a headache with teeth pain only on the right side, we have a different medicine. Notice something? These aren't random. They follow specific pathways. For instance, there's a remedy called spigelia in homeopathy, and it treats a specific headache. This headache can look like normal headache, but the origin is actually a deeper nerve involvement around the eye. The eye might look totally normal and you tend to overlook the eye pain, but it tells a whole different story. That's the difference. When one system tries to suppress pain, another tries to understand its patterns. And sometimes the pattern is the diagnosis.